What are these ones? Taco
Bang.
bowls. Yes, taco bowls. So we've made something very similar to this, but I want to keep showing you new recipes, new quick recipes that are healthy for your family. I'm going to turn on this induction stove again, so let's see how that works out for us. Okay, so we'll put the onions in first, and you can stir them around for me. All right. Okay, so the onions are starting to soften, as you can see. Moses has done a very good job stirring them, making sure they don't get too burnt. And now I'm just going to throw in the red capsicum.
Whoa.
And we're going to cook those out a little bit.
I love red capsicum.
I know, it smells so good, doesn't it?
I love red capsicum because it's sweet.
It's sweet, it's true. Red capsicum is sweet. Okay, all right.
I'm stirring it.
So once it's softened up a little bit, then we're going to throw in Mexican seasoning. Can you mix that through really quickly, the Mexican seasoning?
I could do it.
Yeah.
By myself, I could do it.
By yourself, you can do it, okay?
Or steam hot.
It's hot. And so now I'm going to put in the tomato, canned tomato.
Stop mixing.
Okay, I'm going to put in the canned tomato.
Well, that might be sloppy.
Okay, it's going to be a little sloppy. Okay, stand to the side.
Oh,
Okay, Moses wants to do all the work by himself. There's no use for me. I'm going to leave. Should I leave?
Nah.
No, okay.
But you should put just things in. You should not stir, but you should put things in.
Okay, boss man. All right.
Right, now can I start?
I think that is the boss, not you. Oh, be careful. What did you touch?
The side. But
Don't touch the side, okay? All right. Now the beans, I just got a can of 4 bean mix, you know, with the different beans in it. So there you go.
Stop mixing
And if you want to make double, you could always make double of the recipe. And you can halve, so put some in the fridge for the next day, and you can use it on, instead of, we're using rice today, but you can use it on chips, on corn chips, and have like a taco corn chip nachos type of thing. Now, if you have coriander, that would be awesome if you added a little bit of coriander right now while you're mixing it in.
I love coriander.
You love coriander. We've got parsley here. I forgot to bring coriander, but if you had coriander, that would really make it really nice. And now what we're going to do, we preheated some rice. So what we're going to do is we're going to put
Is it a salad?
Hey?
Is it
You know what? We might even just make one bowl because I reckon someone's going to eat it. Okay, we're going to put some in the bowl, okay? And we love putting some corn tortilla strips on the side. And we use some avocado. We got avocado. Look how good this meal is for your kids. How much deliciousness and nutrition in it. We like to put some avocado on the side and a dollop of perhaps some, I've got coconut yogurt here. I love coconut yogurt. Instead of sour cream, we could put a dollop of coconut yogurt on top. And there you have it. You've got a taco bowl with rice, avocado, and your bean mix, and some strips there, some tortilla strips. Try it, let us know on our Facebook page how it goes, and you can use it with all different other things. You can put the rest, look how much it made. You can put the rest in the fridge, and you can use it for some other meals like burritos the next day, or you can use them on nachos. But we'll see you next time with some more recipes. Moses, thank you for helping. You're so good. Say bye to everyone. Bye.